Apps might look simple from the outside, but some of them have price tags that would make a Hollywood blockbuster look cheap. We're talking about digital tools so expensive, they've cost companies and governments hundreds of millions, sometimes even billions. So, why does an app cost that much to build? And who's actually paying for it? Let's start with a classic. Instagram. It wasn't always the billion-dollar beast we know today. Back in 2012, Facebook bought it for $1 billion, and at the time, the app only had 13 employees. What made it so valuable wasn't the code. It was the user base, the brand, the potential. Facebook saw the shift from text to images, from desktop to mobile, and Instagram had already nailed it. So they didn't buy the app. They bought the future of attention. Next, we've got WhatsApp, another Facebook flex. In 2014, they dropped a jaw-dropping $19 billion to acquire it. Again, this wasn't about how fancy the tech was. WhatsApp had no ads, a minimal design, and just over 50 engineers. But it had 600 million users and a lock on global communication. In countries like India, Brazil, and Nigeria, it was more essential than SMS. Facebook wasn't buying an app. They were buying the digital infrastructure of communication itself. But it's not just Silicon Valley spending crazy money. Let's talk government apps. The Obamacare website, also known as healthcare.gov, was launched in 2013 with an initial budget of $93.7 million. But after delays, bugs, and massive redesigns, the final cost ballooned to over $2.1 billion. Why? Multiple agencies, legacy systems, bureaucracy, and rushed timelines. Building a secure nationwide healthcare enrollment system under pressure? That's not just an app, that's a digital monster. Then there's IRTC, India's official railway booking app. It serves over 13 million users daily and handles everything from payments to real-time seat allocation across thousands of trains. Building and scaling that level of infrastructure costs upwards of $150 million, with continuous updates for AI-based ticket prediction, regional language support, and fraud prevention. Now enter the London Congestion Charge app. This government-built tool manages vehicle access and toll charges in central London. Sounds simple, but between GPS integration, enforcement tie-ins, live tracking, and privacy compliance with UK laws, development reportedly hit over £120 million. That's nearly $150 million. In the private sector, Tinder has spent over $485 million on development and infrastructure since its launch. That includes AI matching algorithms, massive global server scaling, and features like face-to-face video chats. It's not just swiping anymore, it's engineering emotional connection on demand. Even TikTok, originally built on Musical.ly's foundation, spent over $1 billion integrating ByteDance's algorithm with Western market compliance, content moderation, and machine learning models that feed the For You page. What you're really using isn't an app, it's a neural network dressed like entertainment. And in case you thought crypto was cheap, building a secure crypto exchange app like Coinbase or Binance from scratch can easily cross $100 to $200 million once you factor in 24/7 customer support, anti-fraud, wallet encryption, KYC compliance, and international regulation. So here's the real secret. The most expensive apps aren't expensive because of flashy designs or fancy buttons. They're expensive because they solve complex problems at scale. They operate in real time. They deal with money, health, communication, politics, and data. And they can't afford to fail. In the digital world, simple experiences are often hiding billion-dollar machines underneath. So the next time you open your favorite app and it just works, know that somewhere behind the screen, there's a mountain of code, a small army of engineers, and a price tag that could rival a skyscraper. For more stunning tech breakdowns like this, subscribe to Balance.